Actually, very quickly in the interest of time with Mr. Mahan Charmshir and Mr. Pavee Raheja. Mr. Mahan Charmshir is a senior program manager at Waste Netherlands. He's leading international programs on circular economy, sustainable waste management, and resource efficiency across emerging markets. His expertise spans circular economy strategy, plastic recycling, value chain development, policy implementation, and public-private partnerships. He's worked with governments, industry, development agencies, and civil society organizations to strengthen recycling ecosystems and accelerate resource-efficient economies. At Waste, he has contributed to initiatives such as FlexLoop, advancing circular plastics value chains, and innovative recycling solutions, and contributes to technical publications on sustainable waste management and
not keep you from lunch any longer. Firstly, thanks a lot to the Elite Plus as well as at this event for having us over to talk about innovation shaping the circular future of specialty packaging films. This is a presentation by Mahan and I. We were very fortunate to have worked on a project called FlexLoop in India at the time, which was working in 3 cities, Jaipur, Udaipur, Amritsar, and we were working with businesses and we were trying to help recyclers be more profitable, be able to recycle more. And I let Mahan talk about FlexLoop first. And this presentation basically sums up a lot of things that we learned as part of that journey.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Pavee. Summit, it's a pleasure to be here. So as Pavee mentioned, we worked together for 3 years on a project called FlexLoop, which stands for Financial Inclusion and Improved Livelihood Out of Plastic. So the main goal is to bring more value to the plastic value chain, and we can distribute that value down the chain to ultimately improve the life of informal waste workers. The project was funded by IKEA Foundation, and as Pavee mentioned, it was implemented in 3 cities in India. One of the things that we wanted to explore in this program together was how can we address the issue of hard to recycle plastic, including multi-layer packaging. So this presentation is a summary of our findings in this specific matter.
Founded in 1983, over 900 employees, over 8,000 systems already running. So the reason behind this, like with this joint venture with the RAPPR, to give the complete solution for our customer, for our partners with the clear responsibility, like starting from bales to the final pellets. This is our goal. And coming back to the Lindner Washtech technology overview, like as I said, we are like the at front with the plastic. Our washing systems are designed to handle maximum contamination level of the input material. So here definitely you will see very compact design, energy efficiency, versatile lines, and for sure it's a reduced operational cost. So here you will see a very wide application. Like we are not just building the machines. So yes, we are building the machine as per the input material. So here you will see the application wise, like LDP film, HDP bottles, PP packaging, and the PET. So if you see here, the key factor is with the waste management sector, because normally always we are comparing with the Europe market. But if you really see in Europe, the target landfill is below 10% until 2023. And in Europe,
P&G company came and we're looking for a partner who is building strong and good machines for high quality mechanical recycling. So we started to work together on the so-called technology FlexLoop, which we announced on last K-Show. P&G is taking care. P&G doesn't want to see their waste, their Head and Shoulders bottles, their Pampers packaging laying on the beaches. P&G wants to recycle on lowest LCA. Lowest LCA means mechanical recycling. They take care, you know, all the products they have in our houses and all the plastic packaging they need. So what they really want to do is a sustainable closed loop. And so they went into the market and we're looking for solutions. If you see on this Nova chart on the right-hand side, You see the incineration, the pyrolysis, the chemical recycling. High OPEX, high CAPEX, but high LCA. This is not the route to follow. The route to follow is more on the left-hand side. Low LCA, low OPEX, low CAPEX. A strong decentralized infrastructure of mechanical recycling. Yeah? And this is where we position FlexLoop. FlexLoop is a
Europe is
solvent-based...
the regulation capital of the world. And something that has come out just 2 weeks ago, or something that is effective 2 weeks ago, is what I am going to attempt to cover in this, the brief time given to me. So Europe's circularity challenge is that, while there is a great ambition for making circular products, the annual growth in circular plastics production is going down, as you can see in this graph. And so is the annual growth in the demand. It is going down from 16.2% to 4%. The capacity for recycled products has gone down by 1 million tons, and the collected plastic waste that is going to the incineration or landfilling has also gone up to greater than 70%. So circularity cannot be regulated into existence, so unless it makes a financial sense, it won't work. And this is happening primarily because I'm just taking the example of the regulatory framework for plastics, only for plastics. Look at the number of legislations that are controlling the business of plastics here. So there is a framework legislation which is, of course,
in the pre-function areas where we have the lunch as well as the Jain food as well that's been created for all of you, as well as the lunch is arranged behind Mr. Habbu.